Have you ever envied that friend who effortlessly jets off to exotic destinations without breaking the bank? What if I told you that scoring those unbelievable flight deals isn't just luck, it's an art form? Yes, there's a method to the madness, and I'm here to pull back the curtain. As a seasoned traveler who has navigated the globe on a shoestring budget, I've mastered the craft of finding budget-friendly skies. In this essay, I unveil my toolbox of unconventional strategies to help you fly smart and save big. Understanding how airlines set their prices is crucial for finding the best deals. Airlines use complex algorithms that consider factors like fuel costs, competition, demand, and even global events. This dynamic pricing means no two seats on the same flight are necessarily sold for the same price. Factors that influence flight costs include the day of the week, time of year, and even the specific time of day. For instance, flights on Tuesdays and Thursdays are generally cheaper because demand is lower. Knowing these factors can help you predict when prices might drop, giving you an edge in booking the best deals. Timing is everything when it comes to booking flights. Data suggests that booking about 6 weeks in advance often yields the best deals. However, this can vary greatly depending on your destination and the time of year. Flight prices typically increase in the last 3 weeks before departure. So if you see a good deal, grab it. Waiting for the price to drop further might backfire. Also, booking flights on a Tuesday afternoon can often result in lower prices, as airlines tend to release new fare sales earlier the same day. Ever noticed how flight prices seem to increase every time you check them? That's partly because websites use cookies to track your visits and can raise prices based on your search frequency. Using incognito mode while searching for flights can prevent this from happening. Incognito mode ensures that your browsing history and cookies are not stored, making it harder for booking sites to offer dynamic pricing based on your activity. This simple trick can sometimes lead to cheaper flight options appearing on your screen, as if you're searching for them for the first time. One of the biggest secrets to finding cheap flights is flexibility, both in terms of your travel dates and your destinations. If you can be flexible about when you travel, you're more likely to find a better deal. Consider flying midweek or during off-peak hours. Additionally, being open to different destinations can lead to surprising discoveries and unexpected deals. For those who can plan at the last minute, there are often amazing last-minute deals to be had. Conversely, booking well in advance can also secure great prices, especially for peak travel dates. When planning your trip, consider flying into or out of alternative airports. These secondary airports often have lower fees, which can translate into cheaper tickets. For instance, flying into Gatwick instead of Heathrow in London can save you a substantial amount. Also, explore unconventional routes. Sometimes connecting through a less popular hub can reduce your fare significantly. This might mean a longer journey, but the savings can be well worth the extra travel time. Remember, the path less traveled in aviation could lead to the best deals. Don't limit yourself to booking a round trip with the same airline. Mixing and matching different airlines for your outbound and return flights can sometimes lead to better savings. This is known as a hacker fare. When booking these types of flights, make sure to allow enough time between connections and consider separate tickets baggage policies. This strategy requires a bit more planning, but can significantly cut costs. When traveling internationally, don't overlook local airlines. These carriers often offer competitive prices that aren't always visible on large travel booking sites. To find these deals, check local airline websites or use regional booking platforms. Also, local airlines may offer promotions that are only advertised domestically, so keep an eye out for those when you're in country. Sign up for email alerts from airlines and fare comparison websites. These alerts can notify you about price drops, special promotions, or mistake fares. Be specific about your preferences to get the most relevant alerts. Tailoring the settings can prevent your inbox from being overwhelmed with offers that don't match your travel plans. Beyond the usual mile-collecting strategies, consider strategies like pooling points with family members or participating in promotional events that offer bonus points. Also, some loyalty programs have partnerships with retailers, allowing you to earn points on everyday purchases. This can be a great way to boost your points balance without additional travel. Airlines often announce special promotions or flash sales on social media platforms. Make sure you're following your favorite airlines on platforms like Twitter and Instagram to catch these deals. Additionally, following travel influencers and deal sites can provide an edge as they often share insider tips and timely deals. Error fares occur when airlines mistakenly post incorrect ticket prices. These can be significantly lower than the actual fare and offer savvy travelers an opportunity to save a lot. To spot these deals, use fare alert websites and forums where travelers share finds. Act quickly when you spot an error fare, as they are usually corrected in no time. In the age of online bookings, travel agents might seem obsolete, but they can offer invaluable help, especially for complex itineraries or when traveling to less accessible destinations. Travel agents may have access to exclusive deals and can manage bookings that might be too complicated to handle online. Consider this option for group travels or special occasions. Believe it or not, there's room for negotiation, especially when dealing with issues like overbookings or service disruptions. Being polite yet assertive can lead to upgrades, discounts, or vouchers. Understand your rights and the airline's policies to effectively negotiate. Sometimes, a conversation with customer service can open up options that aren't publicly advertised. Traveling during the off-season can dramatically reduce your airfare. This period varies by destination, but typically includes times when the weather may be less ideal or schools are in session. The benefits of off-season travel aren't just financial. Enjoy destinations without the crowds and take advantage of more personalized service. Selecting the right travel credit card can make a huge difference. Look for cards that offer generous sign-up bonuses, no foreign transaction fees, and high points earning potential on travel purchases. Also, some cards provide perks like airport lounge access, priority boarding, or free checked bags, which can enhance your travel experience and save money. Vacation packages, yay or nay? While vacation packages can be convenient, they aren't always the cheapest way to travel. Compare the package price against booking your flight, hotel, and car rentals separately to ensure you're getting the best deal. Sometimes packages can offer savings, especially for last-minute bookings or during peak travel times when individual bookings are more expensive. If you're a student or under a certain age, typically 26, there are many discounts available. Websites like Stay Travel specialize in youth and student travel, offering discounted fares and special deals. Always carry valid identification to prove your age or student status, as this can unlock many benefits while traveling. Booking flights in a different currency can sometimes result in savings, especially if your home currency is strong compared to others. Monitor exchange rates and consider using a credit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees to make the most of booking in a foreign currency. Insider knowledge can be a game changer. For instance, some airlines offer a Hold My Fare option, allowing you to lock in a fare for a few days for a small fee, giving you time to decide without risking a price increase. These little-known options can be found in the airline's FAQ sections or by directly contacting customer service. Several mobile apps are designed to alert you to flight deals. Apps like Hopper predict price trends and advise whether to buy now or wait, while others like Skyscanner allow flexible searching that shows the cheapest days to fly. Using these apps can automate much of the deal hunting process, making it easier to snatch the best fares. Overcoming overbooking. If your flight is overbooked, airlines often offer compensation to volunteers willing to take a later flight. This can include vouchers, upgrades, or even cash. Knowing your rights and being flexible can turn an overbooking situation into an opportunity for lucrative compensation. Travel insurance and flights. Investing in travel insurance can be wise, especially for expensive trips. Some policies cover cancellation fees, which can save you money if your plans change unexpectedly. Moreover, certain credit cards offer travel insurance as a perk, so check if your card provides this benefit before purchasing additional insurance. Sustainable traveling. Choosing airlines that use newer, more fuel-efficient aircraft can reduce your environmental impact. Some airlines also offer programs where you can offset the carbon emissions from your flight. Supporting airlines that prioritize sustainability can contribute to more eco-friendly travel practices. Final thoughts. The Smart Flyers Mindset. Adopting a Smart Flyers mindset involves more than just finding cheap tickets. It's about making informed choices, being flexible, and using technology to your advantage. Stay curious, keep learning new tricks, and never stop exploring the possibilities. With these strategies, your next ticket could not only take you to your dream destination, but also do so without emptying your wallet. Here's to smarter flying and richer travel experiences.